Saime Green Energy is a complete waste management solution provider based in the UK specializing in managing Indian waste. With a network of service providers and a dedicated team with years of experience in operating globally, we are experts in offering bespoke turnkey solutions to our customers. At Saime Green Energy, we believe that material discarded every day should be utilized to their fullest potential to preserve the world's valuable resources by generating clean energy to our communities and the world we live in. We are serious about the fact that no waste is ever wasted, and we take pride in managing waste efficiently, safely, and cost-effectively. Saime Green Energy is powering today and protecting tomorrow by providing sustainable waste and energy solutions like project consultancy, waste collection, compost, biogas, RDF, refuse-derived fuel, biodiesel from plastics using pyrolysis, electricity using pyrolysis and combustion. Our mission is to deliver innovative, efficient, profitable, and environmentally responsible solutions that convert waste into fuel and fuel into energy and achieve zero waste solutions for our partners. We are a company that develops innovative solutions to solve waste problems and produce renewable energy for India. Issues with waste management. The waste management technologies used in India are very outdated, inefficient, and not environmental friendly because of the following reasons. 1. Dumping in landfill. Breeding ground for mosquitoes, bacteria and insects which spread diseases. Underwater contamination. Hazardous substances contaminate drinking water and can cause infectious diseases and cancer. Emits greenhouse gases which are 34 times more hazardous to the environment than the gases emitted from modern waste to energy plants. Saime Green Energy Technologies. Indian waste is very complex. Our technical team have evaluated the best technologies in the world for waste to energy projects in India. Saime's waste to energy technology providers are very experienced and leading technology providers in the world. Saime Green Energy is a member of ISWAI, which gives Saime access to the world's leading waste to energy technologies. We have selected the tested and proven combustion and pyrolysis technology for Indian waste to energy projects. Waste management segregation.
On entering the site, all vehicles are directed to the weighbridge where vehicle and load details are recorded. On leaving the weighbridge, vehicles are directed to the tipping hall. On arrival at the tipping hall entrance, a traffic light system indicates when it is safe for the vehicles to enter. Vehicles then discharge their load in the tipping hall and exit via the door opposite. The waste received in the tipping hall is then fed into the primary shredder feed hopper. The waste is then conveyed into the fuel preparation area. Here, the waste is separated by size into 3 streams. The first being the fines fraction, which is sent for further processing. From the other 2 streams, recyclates such as metals, glass, dense plastics and aggregates are sorted and separated, ready to be sent for reprocessing. The resultant waste left after this process is what is commonly known as an RDF, refuse-derived fuel. But at this stage, it still contains a considerable amount of moisture. The wet RDF is then either discharged into the wet RDF storage bay or fed directly into a band dryer where the RDF is dried to a lower moisture content using heat recovered from the downstream gas plasma process. From the dryer, the RDF is fed to a vibrating floor storage system, which regulates the feed of RDF to the gasifier. The gasifier uses oxygen and steam instead of air as the fluidizing medium. Within the gasifier, partial oxidation of the RDF takes place, producing a crude synthesis gas, syngas, that still contains condensable hydrocarbons or tars. This crude syngas, together with the leftover solids from the gasifier bed, are fed into the plasma converter. The plasma arc in the converter produces a very high temperature and emits intense ultraviolet light that both fully crack the remaining long-chain hydrocarbons to produce a very clean syngas and vitrify the inorganic bed material, which is continually drawn off in a molten state and is known as plasma rock. Plasma rock is mechanically strong, environmentally stable and approved by the Environment Agency as a secondary aggregate product. The hydrogen-rich syngas exits the plasma converter at around 1200 degrees centigrade. The syngas is then cooled to around 200 degrees centigrade by passing it through a waste heat boiler where useful heat in the form of steam is generated. The cooled syngas is then processed through conventional gas cleaning equipment to remove any remaining acid gases and other contaminants. The clean syngas is then suitable for direct use in highly efficient gas engines or turbines to produce power, which is exported into the national grid. Alternatively, the gas can be used to produce biosubstitute natural gas, hydrogen or other biofuels. Finally, all vehicles exit the site via the weighbridge where all documentation and records are completed.